doggy doggies for Judy to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to fix a completely broken washing basket, which is a very straightforward thing, and it saves you thousands in pounds and in dollars and in rupees for that matter to my Indian fans. Very, very good. So find a flat surface and then with a soda iron heat it up, make sure it's on temperature, and now you just follow the line. My beste. Esther, my beste. Now, this obviously takes quite a while, and we're not done, and I will pull it apart just to see, but this is the way forward. So with patience and a lot of work it can be done, and as you can see it's quite steady. You can see I'm pulling it now, and I haven't finished yet. I'm nowhere near being finished, but look, it's already not going anywhere. So you have to do it also from the inside. Nice. It's just the video would take far too long for me to go through this, but this is the whole idea behind it. Doggy doggies for watching, like, share and comment. Arawa.